Here's how I prevent hallucinations on ChatGPT. One of the biggest concerns executives have about ChatGPT is hallucinations, when the model generates information that isn't grounded in your document. The good news is it's usually a prompting issue, not a model issue. Here's a disciplined way to prevent it. So first is to constrain the source. I'm explicitly telling it to only use this document. This removes permission to pull from general knowledge. Step 2 is prohibiting guessing. If something isn't in the document, it must say not specified. That dramatically reduces fabrication. Step 3 is to stress test it. This information is not detailed in the document. A proper constrained prompt should return non-specified. Lastly, I just require confidence rating, which forces the model to evaluate uncertainty. Once I have those 4 steps, I can prompt that into my ChatGPT, and I get all of the answers I need. Now I can safely ask additional questions without worrying about hallucinations.